Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 ways that you can start using to start making money online fast. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and as I mentioned, I'm going to be talking about 3 ways that you can use to start earning money online fast. Now, these methods that I'm going to be talking about are going to be known as an active income method. Meaning you're going to be trading your time for money in order to get paid. But if you want to learn how to start earning a passive income, I've done videos on that in the past, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below, or I'll link it up here somewhere in the cards. And if you want my #1 recommendation on how to make a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Okay, so let me talk about this first method, which is going to be through freelancing. So what freelancing is basically you're offering digital services to people, and if somebody requests your digital service, then you get paid in return. Now, a few examples of freelancing can be anything from web design, web development, graphic design, video editing, digital marketing, and a whole bunch of other things. Now, one website that allows you to offer digital services to people is called Fiverr. Now, this is a pretty common website where you can provide digital services or get digital services. Now, how it works is that you would come to Fiverr and click on the top right where it says Become a Seller. Now, if you scroll down, you can see where it says Create a Gig, which is where you let people know what services you're providing, and then when somebody is interested in buying your service, you provide it to them and then you get paid. Now, if you don't know how to provide any digital services, then my advice to you is to learn. Because once you learn how to do any of these skills, you can use them to start earning money for the rest of your life. And I mean, nowadays, you can practically learn anything from watching YouTube. So I would recommend you take the time to learn some of these skills, or at least one of these skills that you can put to use to start making you money. Now, the next website that I want to talk about is called Upwork. Now, Upwork is similar to Fiverr. You would just go to Upwork, and if you want to know more about how it works, you just click on the top where it says how it works. Then it's going to explain how this website works, whether you're looking to get a freelancing service done for you or you're looking to provide freelancing service to other people. So, it covers all of that in this section right here. And in order to get started, all you have to do is just click on the sign up button and fill out your information. So that's going to cover the freelancing websites. The next one that I want to talk about is going to be a testing website. Now, this website is going to be called usertesting.com. Now, the way that this website works is that it pays you to go to other apps or other websites and complete a set of actions. Now, if you click on the top right where it says Get Paid to Test, it's going to explain how it works. So basically, you're going to visit a website or an app, and then you're going to complete a set of tasks, and then you're going to speak your thoughts out loud. And then once you do that, you get paid. So this website pays you $10 for every 20-minute video that you complete. And if you scroll down right here, you're going to see all these companies who've used user testing to complete a series of tests. Now, if we scroll down a little bit further, we're going to see what we need to get started. And to get started with this website, it's pretty simple. You need a computer with the internet connection. You also need to download their testing software, and you need to be at least 18 years old, and also you need to be able to speak English. So it's not a whole lot of requirements in order to get started using this website. Now, the sign up process is pretty simple. You're going to fill out your information, and then you're going to take a sample test. It's going to take a couple of days for them to approve you, and if you did a good job with that sample test, then you can start testing and earning money. So if you want to learn more about this site, you could just simply go to usertesting.com. So if you guys are looking to earn money online fast, you can try out these websites, and I hope you take action and start earning money. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed these methods that I talked about. And if you got some kind of value out of it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these methods. Now, as I mentioned earlier, with these methods, you would be earning an active income. So you would be trading your time for money in order to get paid. But if you want my personal recommendation when it comes to earning a full-time income passively, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.